So in Kanha we follow different type of farming methods. One of the manure is vermicompost. So as part of the organic farming, we also prepare our own manures. It is mainly cow dung is what we are using. Demand for usage within even Kanha, it's increasing.
In agriculture, many methods are used so as to improve the soil fertility. This is an introduction to the methods being used at Kanha Shantivanam, the International Center of Heartfulness, under the guidance of Daji.
So in Kanha we follow different type of agriculture practices, farming methods. So one is more on natural farming, another is like organic farming, and then there is also residue free agriculture which we do. So as part of the organic farming, we also prepare our own manures. So one of the manure is vermicompost.
Microorganisms living in holes and burrows in the damp and wet soil survive on the available organic matter in the soil and throw the waste back. The waste product from these microorganisms increases the soil fertility and is called vermicompost.
So vermicompost, we have a small unit where we prepare around 15 tons per month capacity, and it's kind of 66 cubic meter of space we have where we produce the vermicompost. So the worm which we use is an Australian red wiggler. So that is the worm which we are using. It's a very kind of, it accepts the it can decompose the matter very faster, organic matter.
In the Kanha composting unit, cow dung is procured from the cows on site and is used to feed the Australian red wiggler. Due to this, the compost quality at Kanha is a very superior vermicompost.
As part of this, right, like if you see from the source material what we take, probably for 100 cubic feet we need 1.5 tons of dry cow dung. So what we do, we take the wet cow dung, put it for drying, then it will be like 70%, 30% lossage will be there. So we take that dry cow dung, and then we for 100 cubic feet we will have 1.5 tons of dry material. Then it takes 45 days to convert that into a vermicompost. So it takes around 1.2 tons will come from out of 1.5 tons of cow dung.
Here, about 1.2 tons of vermicompost is obtained from 1.5 tons of cow dung. Let's learn more about the process and usages.
And as part of that process, right, we also, because when we put it in the bed, if you see from the bed point of view, it will be like a width of 3 feet and a height of 2 to 3 feet will be there. So in that, right, we should have that bed should be always wet. So 3 to 4 times we may be like sprinkler, we will give water into that. So the water what it gets drained through the that vermi, we call it vermi wash. So when we want to do like a foliar spraying and all, we use 1:10 ratio, we use that. So the main benefit what we are seeing here is, it's kind of like a instant food for like how we take. The plant needs nutrition and wants to absorb quickly. So that is the one main reason where this anywhere it needs immediate instant food. It will be very useful.
In the cultivation of vegetables where manure needs to be used frequently, and in fruit orchards, vermicompost is very useful. Similarly, depending on their size, vermicompost can also be used once in 1 to 3 months for the trees in a forest.
So it's almost now more than two years now. We started with a very small experiment, and now 66 that whatever I said, right, it's a cubic meter is there, and we are also in a process of increasing the capacity, because now the demand for usage within even Kanha, it's increasing. We need around 150 to 200 tons we will need and the production itself, right, we need to increase.
The Agricultural Center of Excellence, established in Kanha, is providing agricultural expertise and knowledge to about 30 villages surrounding it, and is also acquiring the agricultural produce from them. It's designing programs to introduce organic cultivation methods in these villages. At present in Kanha, vermicompost is being produced in about 3,000 square feet. Considering the future demands of achieving a target of 200 tons per month, this production area is being expanded by another 5 to 6,000 feet.
The cost of production currently 3 rupees per kg it's coming because of the small quantity it is produced. So as we increase the capacity, probably we will be able to reduce further down, maybe between 2 to 3 rupees per kg is what, because of the fully we are using cow dung, right? So that is the main reason it's costly, but again it's worth for the outcome what we are getting it.
It is important to protect the vermicompost microorganisms from rats and squirrels, and also from the sun and the rain. The agricultural team at Kanha Shantivanam is committed to using methods that are organic and sustainable.